Hi there, students. Braid. Okay, to braid as a verb. A braid as a countable noun. Okay, let's see. A plait. To plait your hair. So the girl had long hair and she braided it. If you braid your hair, you separate it into three bits, and you keep moving the bits over each other to the center, and like that you get a braid. So she normally wears her hair in a braid, or in two braids, in two plaits. To braid, to put together, to join together. So a strip of cloth or threads that's attached to clothes. It's made of cloth, and it's braided together. So, for example, the military uniforms, they have gold braid. I'm thinking of the sailors. They have different gold braid in different places. Gold braid on their hat, where this is twisted threads of gold together. Okay, so to braid, to put together, you braid your hair. When my beard was longer, I remember my daughter braiding my beard. A braid, a plait, a pigtail. Yeah. Okay, so to braid. It's, you take three strands and you interlace them. You can do that with your hair, and it can look really nice. But you can do it with any flexible material, with a wire, with almost anything. You don't have to use three. You can use more than three to make more complex things. So to braid, to weave together. To braid together. You can also use this to braid, meaning to make soft, yeah, by rubbing when you're preparing food. Notice the verb to upbraid. This comes from the same root. To upbraid somebody means to be angry with them, and you could say to braid somebody, but that's obsolete. So it goes with this word upbraid as well. Okay, so braid, to braid, to make things into take strands and weave them together, to mingle. Now, you could use this verb to braid metaphorically. So this many stories, they say this story is based on true events. So this is they've braided fact and fiction together. They've joined the two things together. Okay, so to braid two things together, to join them together. I guess a stream could braid its way through the woods. It could twist backwards and forwards. You could also braid by adding something pretty on the edge, particularly a trim of different interwoven strands. So he finished the coat by braiding, by putting braid on the collar and the cuffs. You could mingle ideas, to braid, to interweave. So he braided various ideas together to make this. Okay, so to braid a rope, you take three pieces and you braid it. You could have braids in your hair. You make your hair into braids. Then you could put braid around the edge of something. So to trim a garment, to put something around the edge to make it more decorative. Gold braid on his hat. And then to braid, to mix together various things. So this story has various ideas interweaved, braided together, plaited together, joined together. Okay, so to braid. Formality. I think I'm going to give Braid a 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. It's probably more common in the US. I think in British English I might use the word to plait, yeah, except for gold braid. And as to origin, we've got the Old English word bregdan, to move quickly, to drag, to bend, to weave. It's got lots of meanings. Proto-Germanic bregdana, to jerk, to swing, to flinch, to move. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To braid, a braid, gold braid.